Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says two players of equal skills A and B. So, suppose that we have player A versus player B playing a set of games. So, suppose me and you are playing a game and we guys are carrying equal skills. Okay, so they leave off playing when A wants 3 points. So suppose that I need 3 points and you wants 2 points and the game ends. Okay, so if I'll get 3 point, I will win the game. Before that, if you'll get 2 points, you will win the game. But because of certain reason, the game stopped. Okay, now if the stake is this much euro, okay, so suppose it is 16 rupees. So what share, okay, this spelling is wrong, each player will take. So suppose that now you have to distribute this money. Okay, so how will you distribute money so that there is no cheating? Okay, you cannot go with half and half, because like B may argue that I need only 2 points, so I will win the game. So and this also can be said by A that okay, like if we would play the game in, like I will get 3 points in 3 consecutive games, 3 consecutive strokes. Okay, so these are the cases. So look at this, how maths will help you to find out the solution. So suppose that like we have to find out the probability. First you have to find out the probability of A winning. So suppose you got probability of A winning, directly indirectly you got probability of B winning as well. Okay, so suppose 1 minus probability of A winning is equal to what? Probability of B winning. So just focus on probability of A win. So you want A to win. Suppose you can go with B as well, but suppose A win. So this, it is only possible if in first 3 shots A wins. Okay, so suppose that getting 6 while throwing a dice is A win. So suppose in 3 throw I got 6, 6 and 6, so I won. Okay, or this can also be the case, suppose that you got 6, 6. Now if A will get 6, then it is like A won the game, so B won the game in this case, and then A won. Okay, so this could be the case, or A B A A, this could be the case, or B A A A. So these are the cases in which A will win the game. So as they are having equal skills, so suppose that the probability of A winning is 1 by 2, half half. Okay, it is equal. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, probability of B winning is also 1 by 2, and then 1 by 2, same game, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now you have to add everything. So if you'll observe, in first component you have 8 in the denominator, and remaining component you have 16 in the denominator. So can we make a 16 in the first part? So can I say that it is 3 and 2, 5. So it is 5 by 16. Okay, so look at this, how they will distribute money. So money taken by A will be 5 by 16 out of 16. So 5 euro. Okay, money taken by B. So remaining money will be taken by B. or else you can go with 11 by 16 means 1 minus this. Okay, so 11 by 16 into 16, it is 11 euro. Okay, so this is how you will solve this problem. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.